A mechanical ventilator is a very complex device, which is used to ventilate patients suffering from chronic lung diseases or after a complex operation, to keep them alive, strong, and healthy. A patient with severe lung disease needs a ventilator for life support. All ventilators should be tested after each use to verify its performance before the unit is used for another patient. Ideally, a verification based on the manufacturer's recommendations will be performed each time. Additionally, preventative maintenance of all ventilators is required at least every 6 to 12 months. Testing a mechanical ventilator requires the proper tools. Pressure gauge, a gauge to show the amount of pressure developed by the ventilator. Flow meters, a meter to show the amount of flow achieved. Oxygen sensor, a sensor to measure the concentration of oxygen delivered. Preparation for the test is very complicated because there are many tubes to connect before starting the test. Running the test takes about 2 hours and documentation is required at each step. To test ventilators from different manufacturers, someone has to read the instruction manual for every ventilator. This could take weeks and is just not a good solution. An all-in-one testing device with all the necessary tools would be great. Fortunately, that option is available. The CITREX H5 gas flow analyzer from IMT Medical is able to test any type of ventilator. It measures pressure, flow, volume, temperature, and oxygen. The CITREX H5 can generate customized PDF test reports automatically. Additionally, integrated apps guide the user through the procedure so you can test a ventilator in less than 5 minutes. Test report included. This sounds exciting, right? Now, let's get started. Download the app from the CITREX cloud. The app guides you through the following 3 simple steps. First, connecting the CITREX H5 to the ventilator. Second, performing verification test. The CITREX H5 gives you instant test results automatically. Isn't that great? Third, generating a test report. After the test, enter the user information and sign the report directly on the CITREX display. The app generates a PDF test report, stores it, and makes it available in the cloud. It took just 5 minutes for the complete test. Great! Apps for the CITREX H5 gas flow analyzer. The future for biomedical engineers has just begun. More apps are coming soon. For more information, check out www.imtmedical.com today.